How to refund or return items on TEMU. To return or refund items on TEMU, first of all, open up the TEMU app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on your orders. Now, you want to find the relevant order that you want to refund or return. Now, click on the return/refund button. Next, you want to select the items you would like to return and the reason for the return. Depending on the reason you selected, you may be required to provide further information related to the order. After you provide the required information, click on Next Step button to proceed. If there is no need to return your items, then the final step is simply to select your refund method. You may choose to receive your refund as a TEMU credit balance or credit it back via your original payment method. Make your selection and click on Submit. If you need to return your items, you will have the option to choose your return and refund method. After you submit the request, TEMU will provide you with a return label so that you can return the item. You want to place all returned items into one package and use the return label that TEMU provides to send it. After the warehouse receives the items and they pass quality inspection, a refund will be issued. If you do not receive the refund afterwards, you want to contact the customer support of TEMU. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.